All right, so we're ready to transfer the fluid from the 55-gallon drum. It's going to suck out of the suction stinger, go through this hose, back into the internal tubes. And if I was going to add, if there's a possibility of adding too much oil, I would have this port hooked to the same overflow port on the drum unit, and if this reservoir got to the point where it was getting ready to overfill, it would had forced it up through oil through here, out this port, back into the matching port on the drum, and that would drop it right back down inside the drum. So that's kind of how it's set up. This is our sampling tube. It's a little push to connect fitting here. Just push it down, a little hard with one hand. You push it out. This red tab comes up. You insert your 1/4-inch poly tubing in there and do a sample. All right, we're gonna transfer it over. Okay, so we're done with the drum ramp at this point. I've taken the hoses off of the drum and moved them over here to the power unit, to the bolt down unit. Now I have I'm prepared to filter the oil, offline filter the oil in the reservoir. This will actually, this particular unit we have a filter panel that will be go with it. This filter cart stays here, and it goes through the filters, comes back in through this line here. Actually, it's been pre-filtered, and dumps back into the reservoir. So it's sucking out of the reservoir, throwing it through the filters, and coming back and dumping it back in the reservoir so we can offline filter. That's how it works. Thank you.